Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I've got Adam here again once again. He's here today with me at Leighton Buzzard train station. But hopefully we get to go on a train soon, hopefully again.
Yeah, hopefully.
Which we'll hopefully by next week we'll be able to go on a train again.
Hopefully, yeah.
We literally just saw some trains like earlier, just gone through the station earlier.
Yeah.
And Adam said like, platform 1 train's not stopping. So yeah, just here today again, once again. What's the time? Is it 11? Just to say is, we're going down there in a minute, well not yet, but we'll stay up here for another bit and then we'll go down there. What I was saying is hopefully there'll be another fast train coming through the station soon again. Or in a minute I think. If you hear one, that means it's coming. If you hear one, that means it's coming towards here. So yeah, just to say, once again, we're here, once again. At Leighton Buzzard train station, once again.
Right. Right.
Thought you here, fat lad. Mate, I'm gonna run with my feet this time, like proper.
When I say the word first. Right.
Yeah.
Platform 1 train coming.
Come this way! Double flip the train there, mate! Jeez! Hang on, that was my feet. Go on.
Please! That's his other.
Oh, I thought I could hear that then.
Huh?
Thought I heard something. I'm just still here today. We'll be getting a burger like at lunchtime. So yeah, I still got money for that, so it's fine. Yeah, boy.
Huh?
Yeah. No, fucking gonna train again. After this challenge, I need to go to the loo after this channel. Hopefully there'll be another train coming. Hopefully soon, hopefully there'll be another train coming. Like I said, at lunchtime, we'll definitely go get a burger this time because it's open this time. We're just here today, doing those channels again. But obviously I'm not doing too many. It'll mark up my phone all right, man. But I'll do some, keep some for another time. We'll come again, which will be coming again. That's right. Huh? So remember that at all? That train? Huh? I thought it was for that. Over there. Yeah. That's actually good, that. Hey! Love that.
Try coming with that one, coming this way.
Why? Hey! Actually love that. Can't believe I actually love that. I look like platform 1 coming this, train's coming this way.
Yeah.
Train putting in now, everyone look can see. It's going to London Euston, I think. Bye. Oh. And Stead, Junction, London Euston. Carriages. 12 carriages on that one. Bloody hell. Jeez, man. Train doors again.
Yeah.
Mate, I think I went back here, I think. I literally just ran all the way down there. I think. When the train's come, I'll literally start running. I'll beat the terrain, mate. Absolutely beat the terrain. Oh, you got to come back here. Come back here.
Yeah, I want to see the kind of there.
Here you will. I'll see it. Don't worry, I'll see it. Everyone got to run in a minute, so you want to watch out. Adam's going to get ready to run. Pardon me, didn't mean to burp.
Come on.
After this time, I'm going to make it not so long this time. In a minute, because I need to go loo in a minute as well, so yeah. Nope, that ain't it. I thought that was it then.
Yeah.
Train will come in a minute, I think. Trains will come in a minute, I think. Mate, they are running. They're not cancelling them today. They are running. All of them are running today again, because it's Tuesday today, I think. Now with that. Yeah, it's Tuesday.
Yeah.
Beat the slip, mate! Sorry, everyone. Back again. Sorry about that. Everyone, peace. Adam's there. Peace out, everyone.